Oh, I love fall, and fall entertaining is all about making your gatherings effortless, delicious, and just a little elevated. Today, lifestyle expert and registered dietitian Ashley Hawk is here to show us how to wow our guests with drinks, bites, and even unique treats that are as beautiful as they are tasty. I'm so excited to have you back. I love this time of year, and how can we elevate it but make it still delicious?
Yes, well, you're so right. I love this time of year too. And I have to ask you, are you going to be hosting this season?
I am.
Okay, I had a feeling. So you're no stranger to, we all know that when people first come into our house, we're going to say, can I get you a drink?
A drink, a
It's
Betty.
always the first question to set the tone, which is why I love having something that's easy to pour.
Yeah.
It's elevated, and on top of that, it's a little health forward. Hence, meet
You're so good
Lemonati Lemonade. This is
Lemonati.
a sparkling lemonade. It's new, and it is the first clean label sparkling lemonade. It has 30% fewer calories than the leading brand.
Oh, I love that.
And here's how they do it. It's made with these orchard-grown Lemonati lemons. They're a special gift from nature because, get this, they are naturally sweeter and less acidic than typical lemons. So you're getting that perfect, refreshing sip.
Can I try it?
Exactly.
Okay.
But no, not all that extra added sugar from some of the other brands.
Ashley, I really like this.
It's so good, right? It comes in
really
two
like
flavors.
this.
So we have classic lemonade, and then we also have the blueberry. You can just sip it right out of the can.
I like this a lot. Yeah.
But you can also use it as a base for your cocktails or mocktails. If you want to elevate it a little bit, go ahead and pop in some frozen blueberries or add a little lemon
This is
twist.
good for football season too with the Rams colors.
All of it. And again, you just crack it. It's so easy.
I love it.
You can find this at Bristol Farms. You can also order it on Amazon.
Great.
Go to @Lemonati Lemonade or go to their website, lemonatilemonade.com, to find out more. Okay, so we've got the beverages covered. Let's move on to the food.
Some light bites.
Exactly, yes. And you probably know that this time of year, our pantries can get a little backed up, right? Really stocked up.
True.
So we need all the foods in there to do double duty, which is why you're always going to find Green Valley and Libbys vegetables stocked in my pantry because, get this, they have a long shelf life, cost effective, and on top of that, incredibly versatile.
I love that.
So with the beans, we can do this great little grazing board where we have our bean
nice.
dips. But Amanda, here's the wow factor. Those black beans and a lot of the other garbanzo beans can do double duty, savory dishes, but you can also blend them up and put them into your brownies. This is a little dietitian hack of mine. Use them on the sweet side as well. So you're going to take an entire can of pureed black beans and sub that for the eggs and oil in your brownie mix, and you are going to have these brownies. They are so good. If you want to try a bite, my 5-year-old literally approved of these, so that's always a good sign.
Well, if they're 5-year-old approved, I seem to be on the same level sometimes.
Exactly.
Let me see.
Well, and I love that Green Valley and Libbys vegetables, they're grown on farms in the U.S. from American farmers, so you know you're getting high-quality vegetables in every single bite. And again, speaking of the double duty, over here we have the Green Valley pumpkin, which is perfect in a soup, but you can also use it in your muffins. So you can stock up on the Green Valley pumpkin at Costco and also find these in your canned food aisle at your local grocery store.
Check and check.
Exactly. And if you want more culinary inspiration, they have amazing recipes online. So go to libbysvegetables.com and welcome to greenvalley.com, and you're going to find so many different fun things you're going to want to jump into your kitchen and make.
Sometimes you need an expert to help guide you.
Totally, and we just want that culinary inspo. So they've got you covered. All right, now we have to talk about something that's going to be doing good for your taste buds and your body. Okay. This is ShareOriginal by ShareSwiss, and this is a fermented Japanese apricot. This is rooted in ancient history, practically. It dates back to 600 AD, and then it was perfected by Swiss fermentation expertise.
Good for your tummy.
Exactly, okay? So these are handpicked by local farmers, and then from there, they're fermented in Switzerland for at least 30 months. And then the fermentation process continues because they're individually packaged.
30 months, I did the math, that's 2.5 years.
There we go, thank you, Amanda.
Yeah, okay, right.
And then, they're individually packaged to keep that process going until they come all the way here. So why is that fermentation important? You brought it up.
Yes.
It's because it's good for our gut health. It's also going to increase the nutrient absorption when we're eating our other foods. And on top of that, all of this is going to help boost our body's defense system. So what does that mean if you're hosting? That means you're not having to cancel your get-together due to any last-minute sniffles.
Oh, I love that. I love it, and I love it. You always have everything that we need, and even things that we didn't even know we need. So where can we get all this?
Exactly. Well, so these are fun just to have out at your gathering as they're a conversation starter, but you can also enjoy them on your own. You can find these at ShareSwiss.us.
Great.
You can also get them on Amazon.
Everything is so great and accessible. Thank you so much, Ashley. This is the coziest and yummiest season yet. Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you for sharing.
Of course. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Tell 'em